Hi guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today we're making Mayi moulin. If you're interested, keep on watching. I am going to show you guys step by step how to make your own Mayi moulin. Let's get started. So this is our pot. We're going to add some oil. Then we're going to add épices, of course. Make sure you guys check out the épices video down below in the description box. We're just gonna let it cook. Then we're going to add our bean. I am also adding some Maggi while it's frying, and then we're going to add some of the bean water in there. Now I am going to add some thyme and cilantro like I always do, and salt and pepper because